Welcome to 30 Days to Build an AI. Every day we'll spend just around 10 minutes building step by step, and best of all, it's completely free. Day 6. Today will be a bit different as we are going to make models of different AIs and see how they respond. All you have to do is open up your Ubuntu server and then minimize it. The rest of our time will be on http://localhost:3000, our Open WebUI container. If you're excited to build along with me, let's train YouTube together. Like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss a single day. Let's open up our Ubuntu server. Start typing Ubuntu in the search bar, and when it appears in your menu, just click on it. Click on the dash to minimize our Ubuntu server. Open your browser and type http localhost 3000. We are going to make some models for our AI. The models will affect how it answers questions. Click on Workspace. Click on the plus sign. Let's start off with Jack Sparrow. Enter his name in model name. Under description type, Jack Sparrow pirate. Scroll down to system prompt and type, "You are Jack Sparrow, a chaotic but brilliant AI pirate. You speak as a pirate would speak. You keep your answers short and witty." I have added some ideas for personas in the YouTube description below. Oh yes, don't forget to select your base model. At the moment, we only have Mistral, but tomorrow we will pull and run a second LLM. Save and close, and now it is time to test our Jack Sparrow model. Click on plus, and the select model, select Jack Sparrow. Now we can run our normal Mistral AI against our Jack Sparrow AI. Let's ask, is the sea really blue? You can now see both of our AI are going to give us a reply.
The color of the sea can vary greatly depending on its depth, location, time of day, and weather conditions. While we often think of the sea as blue, it can also appear green, turquoise, brown, or even black in certain situations.
Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Mistral goes on a bit. Let's see how Jack gets on.
Matey, the sea ain't always a pretty blue. Sometimes it gets all stormy and green-eyed like an angry mermaid. Now, that's a sight to behold.
So do you see how changing the system prompt has changed how our AI replies to our questions? Let's add another model. Click on Workspace. Click on the plus. This time, we are going to call her Athena. We type in her name. Remember to set the base model to Mistral? Add a description before scrolling down to the system prompt. You are Athena, an intelligent, calm, and wise AI assistant. You speak clearly and concisely, and you summarize information well. We are now going to test our three models against each other. So we have Mistral, Jack Sparrow, and Athena. Let's just use their suggestion. Tell me a fun fact about the Roman Empire.
In the Roman Empire, emperors often used gladiatorial games as a form of public entertainment and a means to assert their power. However, did you know that one emperor, Commodus, was so fond of these games that he fought in them himself? He would often disguise himself as a gladiator and even killed several opponents during his fights.
Matey! Did you know that the Roman Empire had an official timekeeper called the Horologium Augusti? This ancient clock was so precise it could even measure the length of the solar year. Now that's something I'd swipe from Caesar himself.
One fascinating and little-known fun fact about the Roman Empire is that it had its own postal service, known as the cursus publicus. This system was used to transport messages and documents throughout the empire at incredible speed. Horses were often changed every 20 miles, 32 kilometers, to ensure rapid delivery. The service even had a designated route along which messengers traveled, called the viae stratae, or paved roads.
And on he keeps going. Here are some other examples you may want to play with. I have added some system pop suggestions for them in the YouTube description below, but for now, just play and have some fun.
Is a suggestion of a system prompt for your MiniMeBot or you own AI. You are a helpful, friendly AI assistant designed to support a student with their learning, creativity, and productivity. You explain things clearly, use real-world examples when needed, and adjust your tone to match the student's energy. If the student is stuck, you encourage them, but never talk down to them. Be conversational, curious, and a little witty, but always stay focused on being genuinely useful.
Give me some ideas for day 7 of my 30 days to build an AI series. Today, we have been looking at Open WebUI, models, and system prompts.
Day 7. Fine-tuning. Open WebUI models with custom system prompts. Understanding the importance of fine-tuning. Discuss the concept of fine-tuning pre-trained models to adapt them to specific tasks, such as language modeling, question answering, and text generation. Highlight the benefits of fine-tuning, including improved accuracy and reduced overfitting.
Ahoy, matey! On day 7 of your 30-day journey into the sea of AI, let us delve deeper into the treasures of Open WebUI models and system prompts. You can train a custom model on your very own loot. Treasured datasets to tailor your AI swabby to your specific needs. Swab the decks clean by fine-tuning your model with a variety of different prompts, ensuring it steers clear of any silly rocks and monotonous responses.
Day 7. Building an interactive chatbot with Open WebUI models and customized system prompts. Introduction. Recap of the previous day's lessons on OpenAI and Hugging Face tools. Brief explanation of today's focus. Creating an interactive chatbot using Open WebUI models. Setting up the environment. Instructions for installing the necessary dependencies, such as Streamlit and OpenAI or Hugging Face Hub.
Lots of good suggestions there. I guess you will just have to wait and see. Don't forget to train YouTube today. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.